Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all my year 5 Al-Ghazali pupils. Okay, we meet again today. Okay, this morning we are going to continue our unit 1 starter unit under language focus. Okay, today's topic will be affirmative and negative statements. Right, affirmative and negative statement. Okay, as we go along, I want you to refer to your textbook, alright, your text English plus, okay, year 5, our new book, okay, as we go through all the lesson for today, I need you to focus and to look in your textbook. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's go. Right, these are the textbook, remember. Okay, affirmative. What is affirmative? Affirmative, that means it's a positive statement. Okay, for example, when you write I am, okay, I am, the short form I'm. You are. Okay, these are the short form, right? He is, his. She is, she's. It is, it's. We are, we are. You are, you are. They are, they are. Right? So these are the affirmative statement. Right? As we also call it positive statement. Okay. Then we have a negative statement. Okay, where the difference between affirmative and negative, as you look at the table. For example, I am not. I am not. You are not. You aren't. He is not. He isn't. She is not. She isn't. It is not. It isn't. We are not. We aren't. They are not. They aren't. So in your textbook and also in your activity and also in your handouts, so I need you to fill out, okay, to fill out all the affirmative and negative statement. Okay, follow the example I given here. Okay, so next one. Okay, this is the activity 2, page 5. Alright, activity 2, page 5. Page also in your handouts and also in your. Alright, we have here. Okay, we have here English plus workbook 1. Right, English. Right, English plus workbook 1. Alright, page 5. Alright, page 5. As you look at page 5. Okay, the same activity. Alright, the same activity are here. Okay, we need to complete them. Alright, okay, let's go through. Okay, so activity 2, we have here page 5 under English plus workbook 1. Alright, instructions: complete the sentences with error. Okay, these are the short form for the affirmative. Alright, for the affirmative statement that we learned just now. Okay, alright. Example: they. Okay, they. They is a plural pronouns. So they are. Alright. they are. So they are, you add R, apostrophe R-E here. Okay, they are into films and music. Okay, so that means you write down all the short form for the affirmative statement here. For example, I. Okay, what you have to put here? Yes, very good. Apostrophe M. Okay, so that means I'm interested in animals. Very good. Okay, well done. So also look at number 2. We have he, we have you, we got she, it, we, I, and they. Very simple grammar practices. Okay. Alright. Next. Okay. Now we go to activity 3, page 5. Still under English Plus Workbook 1. Okay. So the instruction is rewrite the sentences using the negative form. Okay, just now in activity 2, we have to write down the affirmative form. Alright. Okay, now we need to write the negative form. Okay, example here. Okay, when you have the sentence like this, I'm into cycling. Okay, I am into cycling. So I need you to rewrite the sentence by changing the affirmative statement to negative statement. So how we do that? We use I am not into cycling. Right? I am not into cycling. Alright? So that is about affirmative and negative statement. Next. Okay, activity 4, page 5. Still under English Plus Workbook 1. Okay, these are in your textbook. Sorry, in your activity book, right? English Plus Workbook, right? Okay, there's in your exercise book stated names of your friends: Martin, Noran, Jessica, and Holly. Okay, the fourth one is me. Me, that means who? You. Alright? Me is me. Okay, for them, you write your name. Okay. Okay, for example, Martin, age 12, from Prague. Alright? Prague is another state. Alright? We have to learn that in unit 1. Okay, we learn about others country in 1. Okay, this for example. And then we have Noran, 13, Izmir. Jessica and Holly, 11, Liverpool. Alright, so write sentences about the people using the correct form. Then complete the sentences. Okay, I give you all the examples. Okay, for number 1, Martin is 12. Okay, so we use the affirmative statement. He is from Prague. Very simple. Okay, Noran is 13. She is from Izmir. And then Jessica and Holly. Okay, Jessica and Holly are 2 persons, so they are under plural state. Okay, under plural, so Jessica and Holly are 11. They are from Liverpool. So how about the fourth one? The fourth one, you write your name. Okay, what is your age? Where are you from? Alright, we are from Malaysia. I think better we use the name of our country, Malaysia, as for them to know that we are from Malaysia. Do you understand? Okay, very good. Now next. Okay, activity 5 and 6, page 5, still under English Plus Workbook 1. Okay, as you look, this in your workbook, right? The activity is in your workbook. So the instruction is complete the sentences with correct pronouns and possessive adjectives. Okay, possessive adjective. Possessive adjective, that means belonging. Belonging. Alright, belonging is belong to me, is belong to them, is belong to my teacher, is belong to my mother. Alright, so you need to know. Okay, so examples are already given in the book. Okay, for example, activity 5. My mom is from the USA. Okay, mom is a girl, is a woman. So we use pronoun she. Alright, we use pronoun she. Okay, for boys or male, we use the pronoun he. Right, we use the pronoun he. Okay, more than one. For example, number 3, Ed and Tim, we use pronoun they. We use pronoun they. Okay, and then number 4, Mary and I. So that means I. So Mary and I also plural, 2 person. But Mary and I, because of the word I, alright, because of the word I, we use we. We use we. Okay. So okay, look at number 5. This is my favorite film. Okay. Film, that means it's a object. Okay, it's not a person, it's an object. So we refer film as it. As it. Okay. And then number 6, we have you and Marco. Okay, you and Marco. Okay, you and Marco. So you and Marco, we use the pronouns we. Right, you and Marco. Okay. Okay, we use the word you. So, okay, you and Marco, because the pronoun is you, we use you. Alright. Next, possessive adjective. Okay, possessive adjective. It's your book. Okay, it's your book. Okay, so number 1, it, we got she. So it her photo. Okay, it's her photo. Her. Okay, possessive pronoun for she is her. Number 2, I. So I, it's my bag. It's my bag. Okay, number 3, it's, we have we. It's our house. It's our house. Number 4, we have they. We have they. So it's their laptop. It's their laptop. And number 5, it's, we have he. So it his food. It his food. Alright. And number 6, it's, you have you. It's your TV. It's your TV. Okay. Can you get it? Alright, very good. So that's all for now. We will meet again. Remember, do your homework. You are awesome pupils. Thanks, school. Bye bye. See you next week.